Welcome, cadets! Today, one mission will decide your future. One wrong choice could put an entire planet in danger.
This is our first day. Then let's make every choice count. We don't have time. Something doesn't feel right.
All cadets, initiate evacuation sequence.
Wait! We should check everything. Look, we almost missed this. Good astronauts never rush important choices.
Good astronauts never rush important choices.
Discover the glowing shortcut.
Fast sounds fun. The safe route exists for a reason. Oh no! Oh no! We must fix this. Let's follow the safe route. If we had taken the shortcut, we would never have seen it.
Excellent teamwork.
Those medals look amazing! Please, somebody help us. I chose the wrong thing! Let's not give up. Forget the medals! Thank you! My family is trapped on planet Lumina.
The real reward is saving lives.
Now we know our real mission.
Welcome, young cadets.
Who are you?
I was once the greatest space hero, until I learned that kindness is not enough.
My family is trapped beyond the canyon.
Collect the crystals first. They are very valuable.
They really are beautiful. Please, we cannot get out!
Treasure cannot rescue anyone.
I forgot why we came. Dad!
You choff people before treasure.
This will help us find the next mission.
Use the delivery drone. It is much faster.
We can cross quickly, but nobody else can. Can you help us? We crossed.
We crossed. But they can't.
Let's repair the bridge instead.
Great astronauts always think about everyone. Save the strongest astronauts. There isn't enough. Only the scientist knows how to repair it.
We made the wrong choice.
Thank you.
One kind choice saved us all.
Every person matters. You're so young.
Time moves differently beyond the galaxy.
You were space heroes together.
I wasn't trying to stop you. I was trying to make sure you never repeated.
The shuttle is expensive. Save it first.
If we fix it first, maybe everyone can leave.
The family is getting colder every minute. The shuttle can wait.
Sometimes we learn too late.
Let's free the family first.
You gave us hope.
Helping people brought us more help. Take the big crystal. It's faster. It would solve everything. That crystal protects our whole village.
Whole village?
I didn't think about everyone. This one is enough. Real heroes protect everyone.
Cadets, return to Space Academy immediately.
Our youngest child is still missing. Follow the Academy's order.
We left someone behind.
Sometimes good leaders must ask one more question.
Commander, we found another life signal. We request permission to continue the rescue.
Good astronauts think before they act.
You're so young.
Time moves differently beyond the galaxy.
You were space heroes together.
Finn,
Nia, return immediately. This is no longer a training mission.
if the core collapses, millions of lives could be in danger.
Every choice matters now.
We are safe, but everyone else is not.
This isn't the right choice. Sometimes real heroes accept more risk to help more people.
Building another robot is faster.
Maybe he's right.
Can anyone hear me? We should have looked for him. Thank you, friends!
Machines can be rebuilt. Friends cannot be replaced.
help us!
We only thought about arriving first.
We'll help them first.
Helping others made your own journey safer.
Cadets, there was never a real final exam. The purpose was never to test your flying skills. It was to discover what kind of people you would choose to become.
This mission is real.
There will be no hints this time. Then we'll trust what we've learned.
The fast route could save time. But if we crash, nobody gets rescued.
I can't see anything!
Sometimes slower is actually faster.
I understand now.
Now we won't waste time searching. A careful choice helped everyone.
This is it, Nia. Our first real mission.
I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited, Finn.
It's not working!
The smoke is getting thicker. Kind minds solve problems without causing more damage.
Well done, cadets.
Only one ship can activate its energy shield immediately.
We need help!
Our shields are failing.
Finn and Nia, today you completed every mission with courage, wisdom, teamwork, and kindness.
You reminded me what it truly means to be a space hero.